Hello students, how are you? So my today video is about writing task 2 and it is problem solution essay. Yesterday I also uploaded one video which was agree or disagree essay. Please check that video also. So in this video you will learn how to write problem solution essay, especially the introduction, how to write introduction to get 8 or 7 band. So please see this video carefully. And there are also some mistakes. These are some vocabulary words which I use in this topic. So, our topic is the gap between the rich and poor is becoming wider. The rich is becoming richer and the poor are getting even poorer. What problems can the situation cause and what can be done to reduce this gap? So, this is our introduction which I will read now. Please read carefully and also learn how we can write a proper introduction to get good band score, because our introduction is really important to get our desired band score. Introduction or BP1 is really must. So increasing gap between affluent and destitute individuals give birth to various menaces such as a rising crime rate and inequality among richer and poorer. This is paraphrase of that statement. Our statement was the gap between the rich and poor is becoming wider and the rich is becoming richer, the poor are getting even poorer. So how we paraphrase? Increasing gap between affluent means rich, and destitute individuals. Destitute means poverty stricken people, poor people. Give birth to various menaces. Menace means problems such as a rising crime rate and inequality among rich and poorer. These are the problems. Okay. Although is very strong word, very strong connector which we can use in our introduction as well as in our conclusion also. So although there are number of problems due to this trend, but it can be mitigated. Mitigate means solve or reduced with appropriate measures by authorities to put stringent legislation. Stringent means strict, legislation means law, and awareness. Therefore means result. The points to elaborate the perspectives would be done in the forthcoming segments, means upcoming paragraphs, along with some exemplifications. So here you can see how I write down the introduction. So next is BP1. To embark with, there are umpteen factors behind the given assertion. Umpteen means number of, a lot of factors behind the given assertion. Assertion means statement. The first predominant trouble is that sometimes high standards of people have to encounter huge difficulty in their life. Encounter means face huge difficulties in their life because of fewer people. When destitute choose wrong paths to earn money easily. So means as a result, they harm to richer and do snatching, robbery, kidnapping, even murder, which leads to spoil their own life as well as others also. To illustrate means to explain more. People who are residing underprivileged are exploited by their employers on their profession and they have to do work for prolonged hours. Prolonged hours means for long time without any extra salary. Thus, they feel frustrated from their work, which enforces them to do worse things. Okay, so next is BP2, where we will talk about our measures, what can be done to mitigate this issue. So turning toward the measures, the major step could be implementation of taxes on luxurious and reduction in taxes on groceries and basic things, because every individual can't afford to purchase costly commodities, so higher authorities could execute taxes as per person's income. Besides, policymakers need to do proper inspection on time to time regarding facilities for needy people, and also check whether poor people are taking advantages of their right or affluent individuals are interference in amenities. Amenities means facilities despite having all necessities. For instance means for example, sometimes rich offers bribes to take benefit of any facilities which government provides to them, such as scholarships and other basic things. So at last we will talk about our conclusion. To conclude, although rich and poor people's gap has become wider, but it could be managed, means it could be solved with substantial steps by bureaucrats. Bureaucrats means by government, by authorities, to take into the account that deserving humans are getting benefits of all things. So I hope you will definitely like this task 2 idea, especially the introduction part and conclusion also. So please read carefully this topic so that you will know how to write down task 2 introduction as well as BP1 also. These are some synonyms which are used in this topic. Affluent means rich, wealthy people, prosperous. Destitute. Destitute means poor people, impoverished, poverty-stricken or underprivileged people. Menace means danger, risk, hazard or peril. Stringent. Stringent, you can say it strict, rigid, harsh and rigorous. Legislation, you can say it rules, lawmaking, act or regulation. Exploited. Exploited means utilize, used. Government. For government, you can say it regime, authority, bureaucrats. Residing means living, inhabit, locate or dwelling. So guys, please read this topic carefully. I will also upload image of this topic in the last of the video. So please read carefully and do comment in comment section if you have any query about this topic.